Welcome to an illuminating journey into the heart of biology, where we unravel the mysteries of life's diversity and adaptation. Today, we embark on an exploration of one of the most fundamental concepts in the natural world, natural selection. This principle, the cornerstone of evolutionary theory, holds the key to understanding how species change over time, adapt to their environments, and give rise to the incredible variety of life forms we see today. So, buckle up as we delve into Natural Selection Simplified, the basics of evolution. Natural selection is the process by which individuals that are better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce most successfully. It is the driving force behind evolution, the mechanism through which species evolve and adapt to their surroundings. To grasp the essence of natural selection, let's break it down into its core components: variation, inheritance, competition, and adaptation. Every individual in a population is unique, with a myriad of differences in their genetic makeup. These variations can be subtle, such as slight differences in beak shape or fur color, or more pronounced, like variations in height or the presence of certain physical features. These differences are crucial because they provide the raw material upon which natural selection can act. For natural selection to occur, these variations must be heritable, meaning they can be passed down from parents to offspring. Thanks to the principles of genetics, we know that traits are inherited through genes, which are segments of DNA that contain the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. When organisms reproduce, they pass on these genetic instructions to their offspring, allowing favorable traits to be perpetuated. In the wild, resources are often limited. Food, shelter, and mates are all in short supply, leading to competition among individuals. Not every organism will survive or reproduce, as the struggle for existence is a harsh reality. This competition is a critical component of natural selection, as it determines which individuals will pass on their genes to the next generation. Over time, the traits that provide a reproductive advantage become more common in the population. This is adaptation, the process by which a population becomes better suited to its habitat. Adaptations can be structural, physiological, or behavioral, and they enhance an organism's ability to survive and reproduce. Through the gradual accumulation of these beneficial traits, species evolve and diversify. At the core of natural selection is the concept of survival of the fittest, a phrase that captures the essence of the competitive struggle for existence. It's important to note that fittest in this context does not necessarily mean the strongest or the fastest, but rather those individuals whose traits are best suited to their environment. These advantageous traits can be as varied as the environments themselves, from the long necks of giraffes that allow them to feed on leaves high in trees to the camouflage of Arctic hares that helps them blend into snowy landscapes. The environment plays a pivotal role in natural selection, acting as a sieve that filters out the less advantageous traits. When environmental conditions change, whether due to climate shifts, the introduction of new predators, or the depletion of resources, species must adapt or risk extinction. This is where the true power of natural selection becomes evident, as it propels species to evolve in response to changing circumstances, ensuring their continued survival. As we reflect on the intricate web of life, it becomes clear that natural selection is not just a historical force but a continuous process that shapes the destiny of species. It is a reminder of the resilience and adaptability of life, a testament to the endless possibilities that arise when nature is left to its own devices. The study of natural selection not only enriches our understanding of the biological world, but also offers valuable lessons on resilience, adaptation, and the importance of diversity. The concept of natural selection is a testament to the elegance and simplicity of nature's design. It shows us that the diversity of life is not random but the result of a meticulous process of trial and error, where the fittest individuals leave more offspring. This principle not only explains the past and present biodiversity, but also gives us a glimpse into the future of life on Earth. As we continue to observe and study the natural world, the theory of evolution by natural selection remains a powerful lens through which we can understand the complexity and beauty of life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of natural selection, the engine of evolution. We've seen how variation, inheritance, competition, and adaptation work together to shape the living world. As we conclude our journey, we're left with a profound appreciation for the intricate dance of life, where every species plays a vital role in the ever-unfolding story of evolution. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of our natural world. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more knowledge, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support is incredibly valuable to us.